guys, MUR-LOCK 68 back with the lane security. Yeah, I just couldn't resist. When you see the tag, you know what that means. It's been redone. Just couldn't handle that quick open for such a nice hefty lock. So buckle up. Made some changes. Definitely better than what was in there. Now, the C4 keyway, if I haven't mentioned it before, just perfectly set up for bottom of the keyway, because of the fact that space there is really useless for picking, and as long as you have room, you typically have nice comfortable pick. Maybe something even a little thinner if you need a little more space. So I'm anxious to see how this is gonna work out now compared to the last round. So here we go. 6-pinner. Okay, that was pin 2. Click on pin 1. Okay, 3. Nothing on 2. Let's come back to 1. 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5 is binding. Maybe we need something just a little deeper. Okay, click out of 5. 4 is binding. Click out of 5. 6 is binding now. Let's see if I can get underneath it. Let me just check up front first and then I'll go back to. Okay, it looks like it's 6 binding. Okay, we dropped some pins there. Okay, that's 5, 4. Okay, a little bit of a false set now. Let's come back up to the top. That false set came from pin 3. Much different pick. I'm having to be a little more conscious of my tension. And you'll see why if I'm able to get into it. I got it for you guys. Okay, 1 is good. 2. Okay, 3. Just gonna let off just a little bit. Okay. Somebody is binding here. I want to make sure that I'm not binding the core. Okay. I moved my tensioner away a bit. Okay, now it's pin number 2 that's binding. Let's get this here. Yep, 2 gave me a click. Yeah, not only did that easy open bother me, the fact that it had such a beautiful key just called for some punishment for me. Okay. There's something binding here. Okay, what I think is going on here, I may need a bit more room, so let's see what happens in the next couple of minutes here. What I'm referring to is the thickness of the bottom of the keyway tensioner is not allowing me to come up as high as I might want to come up. So if that doesn't work, I'm going to have to make a change. Okay, there was a little bit of movement there. Oh, and there we go. I was able to get it. It's pin number 4. So definitely a different pick. So we're gonna go in now, and I'll show you what I did. You know, nothing radical, but enough that, you know, not a lot of people are going to get out in the field and just pick that lock, plain and simple. So let me just grab a screwdriver, and I remember this thing has that damn clip in it. So let's see if I can get it out a little bit quicker this time. Out. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this key. Let's see. Just want to see the position of that. Still trying to pick this thing up, and I can't pick it up. Imagine that. Yeah, this is a nasty clip. A nasty clip. just gonna keep spinning. Go figure. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see if I can spin this clip around. Unbelievable. I should have done this in the first place. It's a nasty clip, man. Nasty, nasty. I can't get it around to where I want it. It's making things extremely difficult. Turn it a bit more. Okay, let me pause it for a second, guys. Get this out. Alright, guys. That's what happens when you open your big mouth. Boy. I'm obviously missing the Okay, so there's all the pins. So 6-pinner. Did not do anything to the key pins. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clip kind of frustrated me. Apologize, I should have paused the video a little earlier than that. Just a nasty solid spring steel clips. I just don't understand why they have to be that bulletproof. But then again, the quality of the lock is speaks for itself. Okay, so I've got a commercial serrated in position 1 with a heavy steel spring. Spool in 2. I changed up to a heavy copper spring for 2. Okay, put an ASA spool in position 3 with another heavy steel spring. Commercial spool in 4. A little lighter on the spring there. That's what I was referring to, having to be aware of the tension. Another ASA spool in 5. Tightly wound there, copper spring, and let's go to 6. We've got another spool and a tight copper, so definitely a tougher pick. I don't know if it was as tough as the clip, but there we go, guys. There's the change. Okay, so definitely much more pick resistant. Definitely not something you're not going to rake. You weren't going to rake it anyway, not with that key bitting. And just to show you guys again, just nasty, especially with the gatekeepers in 1 and the max cut in pin number 3, which protected 4, and 1 which protected pin 2. So I feel much better with it in the collection now, guys. That's it. That's the redo of the lane security padlock. We went with 6 security pins of variety, serrated ASA spools, and the ASA barrel spools, and the commercial spools as well. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you at the next one. Patience, practice, perseverance, guys. Stay well.